Alright guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to convert your personal Gmail account to a manage for business Gmail account. So there are two approaches to achieving this, but the problem I have with one of them is no matter how hard I try to get it, it doesn't work. But let me quickly show you what they do. They say you need to go to your Gmail here, click on the account you want to switch, and inside your inbox click on this gear icon and click on see all settings. Then on this page, come over to accounts and imports, click on that and head down to check mail from other accounts and click on add email account. This menu or browser comes out. Then here you paste in your account, click next, and over here you click on import emails from other accounts, pop 3, click next, and here you put in your password and tick these 3. Change the port for some tutorials. Some recommended 995, and as you can see mine was just at 110, and some tutorials will tell you to change this to pop.gmail, and for the user make sure it is full with at gmail.com. Once that is set, you click next. But now see the problem, it always reports error. So that's the reason I don't follow this method. So here is what I do, and I believe it is the easiest way to get it done. So all you need to do is to, on your profile here, next to it is Google Apps, click on it and go to accounts. On the accounts, come over to people and sharing and head down here. You will see business personalization. As you can see, it is off. Simply click it. Once it opens, then come to this section and toggle it on, and after that you are good to go. But in some cases they say it requires 48 hours or 24 hours thereabouts to be activated, and with this being on, all those features that you get from a manage for business account will be activated here as well. So that is simply how to switch your personal account to manage for business Gmail account. So guys, that is it for how you can switch your account from personal to manage for business Gmail account. So that will be it for today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like. Let us know what you think in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that when next I upload videos like this, you get notified. As always, bye for now.